We want people to know as much about you as possible so that they can help you troubleshoot. They can help you get through the thing. They can support you through the problems that you have in your life. We want people like that in our life. We need people like that in our life. But it only comes when we can open up confidently. Because what happens is that everybody, I'm telling you, everybody goes through this experience where you have something we want to hide or we're made fun of or somebody doesn't like about us or we're afraid to share. We try and we talk about it because the truth has to come out. So we start trying to talk about it and we do. And then people are like, ah, and then we start hiding again. And we get mad and we hold it to our chest. But then we just, years pass, however much time passes, we try again. We try again. And people are talking and we hide. It's only until we come to this point where we're so frustrated that we realize that it hurts more to keep it here than to share it with other people that we just open up. And we're like, I don't care about what people say. I don't care. And you start doing your thing. You're just like living your life. And people are like trying to yell at you and tell you you shouldn't be this. How dare you open up? But there also always happens. I'm telling you, this always happens. You have to trust that this happens. When you open up and become yourself, there is somebody out there that's going to see you. They're going to see you standing tall in your truth with their thing held to their chest. And they're going to be like, oh, wow. Wow. That was amazing. How can they do that? I want to do that. I want to be just like that. I think I can. I think I can be just like that. And they start showing their light. They're looking for you to do this. And people who are not as confident, that are stuck in their journey, they're looking for this. They're looking for you to open up and talk about it just as much as you are looking for someone else to talk about it. They need to see you. They need to see your light. They need to see that.